Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a devil margarita using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth process. Next, we'll prepare your serving glass with a delightful rim. Then, we'll combine all the liquids in a shaker with ice, giving it a good chill. Finally, we'll garnish and serve your vibrant, delicious drink, ready to be enjoyed in just a few simple steps. To craft your perfect devil margarita, you'll need 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. For that essential zesty kick, grab 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. The signature devil color comes from 1 ounce of cranberry juice, adding a beautiful hue. A ½ ounce of orange liqueur will perfectly balance all these vibrant flavors. And of course, don't forget plenty of ice and a fresh lime wedge for that final touch. Now let's get to mixing. First, prepare your serving glass by rimming it with salt or sugar, depending on your preference, for an extra burst of flavor. Next, fill a cocktail shaker generously with ice cubes. Carefully pour in the 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of cranberry juice, and the ½ ounce of orange liqueur. Secure the lid and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds until well chilled. It's time for the grand finale. Carefully strain your perfectly chilled devil margarita into your prepared, rimmed glass. For a beautiful presentation and an extra touch of freshness, garnish your drink with a crisp lime wedge or a few vibrant cranberries. Serve it immediately to fully savor its refreshing and unique taste. This simple recipe yields one absolutely delicious devil margarita, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.